So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to interface this with Fusion. So we click here, Fusion on the right, create new design, next. Again, you don't have to do this. I'm just showing you guys the cool 3D models. Put this wherever you want. I happen to have a folder called Play, which is where I kind of put our dummy stuff. It tells you what things we have 3D packages for, and we should have it for everything except for the logos, which makes sense. This battery connector is just 2 pads. There's no JST connector or anything, so that doesn't have a 3D model, and the jumpers don't have 3D models, so this makes sense. And you can give a meaningful description. So Rev1 initial design for BTRC car. You can push it, and so that'll take a while. While it does that, I'm going to open up Fusion. Alright, looks like Eagle's yelling at me. It tells it that it has successfully pushed. I forgot to do this, but it's not a big deal. The default color is going to be green, but if you click on manufacturing, it'll show here our board. Hopefully that looks really red. And if you want to change the color to be purple, and it's this particular purple color, I believe. I think they purposely did that as a shout out to Osh Park. Click OK. This should change to be purple in a second. And then I have the repush to Fusion. I'm not going to show it to you guys purple, but you guys get the idea hopefully. So here I happen to be in the play folder already, or project. And then if I double click here, it'll load our RC car remote. Alright, so hopefully this looked really rad. This is what our design will look like. We can get rid of these little artifacts by going into PCB component, jumper, logo for the back. There we go, so we see the copper exposed. If you notice some of the text gets overridden, you guys can go ahead and change that in Eagle and massage those things around. I don't really care about that so much. Usually when I solder the board, I already know where everything goes, or I just refer to the PCB or so myself. Oh, looks like I missed one, but here is the back of the board. Cool. So we see our little Mr. Swirlies logo. We see our PIB box. Sometimes on the back, I'll also put Bluetooth RC car and then the revision as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's our board. It looks exactly like the one that you guys have printed. Cool. So again, if you wanted to move the text, which I'm not going to do because I particularly don't care about it in most of my designs, you can use this command called smash, and then you can smash the device, and you'll notice before I smash you can't move the text, and after I smash I can move the text. You can go ahead and move that. Also, since we got rid of the values, T values, display T names, display B names. You guys notice the values didn't show up, and when I smash it I can also move MCU, or if I smash this device, both C3 and the value for this capacitor are able to be moved, so you can move it around. But again, I don't really care about that. It's not that important, and most manufacturing facilities don't actually print out the values, so usually I'll just print this out or print out the schematic or both, and you can pick and place as needed. Alright, so that concludes the Bluetooth RC car remote design phase, and hope you guys enjoyed it or learned something, and that you guys go out and make your own. Alright, see you nerds, catch you later.